Hello, everyone, and welcome to the LD Life. I hope everyone is doing well today. Today is day number 7 of the 12 days of Christmas. Well, today I'm going to start off with my December mode stocking. It's filling up fast, guys. And as you can see, I'm yellow. I think the days I'm at school, I'm normally yellow. As I say every day, I explain what the color mean of of the mode I've had for the day. And it's average, it's flat, it's plain, it's bored, it's uneventful, it's okay. Today is just a normal day. Have 2 more days, guys. I'm like dragging my wagon. 2 more days left into a holiday break. And the kids, I must say, I don't care what age group. I don't care which school, the location, time of day. They're all the same. They are ready. They're so ready to get out, have fun. They're ready for a break. I can tell. So I think for the next couple of more days, it's gonna be average. That's gonna be my mode, but it's okay. So today I'm gonna bring you guys. I was recently on the Regal Princess. For day 6, I showed embarkation day video of us going to Galveston, getting on the ship, having dinner, doing a little liquor tasting on the ship. That was, did a little tour through the casino and, things like that, and showing like some of the options they had for lunch. So that's what I did. But today I have a video of, I'm going to show you guys of our room. We had just a regular balcony on the 12th floor. And that's it. There's just a little video of just what our room looked like. And it was 3 of us. And I think it was okay. The size. They had more than one different category of the balcony, which I have to do some research on, because there were a couple of balcony rooms, like, when the stateroom attendant is cleaning the rooms, you can look, and they were deeper, I guess, to where they were located on the ship. And but just for you guys a reference, that I had want to upgrade, which I paid for. So maybe didn't have any more of those other balconies available at that time. But I think it was still okay. Size for 3 of us. We rarely were in the room all at the same time. So I think that was good. So I'm going to drop the video here. I would love for you guys to like the video, comment, share, and subscribe. And you guys take care. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 8. And we only have 6 more days, and it's going to be Christmas. 6 more days. I'm scared. It's almost here. I have no plans. I don't know if my kids are going to be home or if they're going to be away at their grandmother's. I'm not sure. But I'm going to try my best not to spend it alone. I got to go see if on my infamous Christmas list. If you see my video of my Christmas list, you would know, and that would have been day 3, that I have a pretty lengthy list. That's on my Christmas wish list of things. I'm not sure. I might get some things. I might not. It does not matter. But at least can go see what I got. See what my mom and my sisters got me. I mean, if anything, that's what I'm going to do. It might be a little rain. They say it's going to be milder than it was last year. Last year, it wasn't too bad. So we'll see what Christmas beholds for us. But you guys, again, take care. Have a great day. I see you tomorrow for day 8. And thank you for watching day 7 of my 12 days of Christmas with the LD Life. Guys, this is the back door of the stateroom. It tells you where your monster station is. It looks like our monster station is C. Look like it is on deck 12 where we're at. So we'll see. It says monster station C. We'll see exactly where that's at.
So you come around, and here is the where you can put the card at to access the lights on and off. And then you come around, and here's like an open area for the closet. Our luggage is already here. Now, thumbs up for our luggage already being here. This is the quickest I've ever seen luggage. Here is a little space here. Look like it might be big enough for a laptop, a safe. And then here's more shelves here. You can put things in. Then here's the restroom. Turn on the lights here. Okay. Well, it's okay. You know, it's gonna do its job. We have 3 shelves here. Oh, nice size amount of hand soap and look like lotion. Nice. The towels. Here is the shower, and also they have shampoo and conditioner, and then also they're gonna have body wash or shower gel. Here's a line for you to put your swim trunks and bathing suits. There is a step, guys. Pay attention to that when you're coming out of the restroom. So then it's 3 of us in here. So right now I have 2 twin beds, and then there's also Pullman beds that comes from the ceiling. Nice size TV, as you see here. We have a balcony room. Here's a little table. Here is some more shelvings on the side. Here's a refrigerator. It is already cool, which is good. Wine glasses. Also a can opener, or you can use that a cork screw, not quite sure. Then on the other side, this is where a chair is, and the desk, and some drawers as well. There's a hair dryer. Here's one side of the bed. Doesn't look like any USBs. And this is the other side as well. A little artwork. Here's the AC. It is on the cold as it can be. And next we're going to try to get outside to show you guys the balcony.